Introduction. Tsunami, killer wave tells about several devastating tsunamis, the giant waves generated by earthquakes. They can reach up to 100 feet in height and pose a deadly threat to the population of the coastal areas, racing across the oceans and swallowing people and structures. Tsunamis remain one of the most dangerous and mysterious natural phenomena since they can emerge and strike unexpectedly and cause terrifying amounts of destruction. Important points. Tsunamis are not rare, any earthquake can generate one, and significant earthquakes happen 2 to 3 times a week. Warming centers are crucial for predicting and spotting tsunamis and issuing warnings to the population. Ordinary people know very little about tsunamis. This statement was true in the timeline of the documentary, the mid-1990s. Warning systems are vital in saving people, however, excess warnings can cause mistrust and lead to disaster in case of a giant tsunami. Even warning systems can be insufficient in stopping tsunamis because an earthquake can occur close to a shoreline. Description of the demonstration. Documentary makers used a significant amount of real footage, for example, from Hilo, Okushiri Island, and Crescent Bay. That helped to realize the devastating power of tsunamis and understand how fragile human civilization can be in the face of raw natural power. The interviews with survivors from Hilo and Okushiri added an emotional element to the scientific narrative. Overall, the documentary successfully created an atmosphere of awe and horrifying helplessness while raising public awareness of tsunamis. Most interesting moments. Watching this documentary was an engaging and thought-provoking experience in general. Personally, the most interesting moment was when Dr. Walter Dudley confidently predicted the next big tsunami in the near time. The future showed how right he was, as in 2004, an earthquake in the Indian Ocean generated a tsunami, which killed more than 200,000 people. It was also interesting to see the countermeasures against tsunami threats in action, such as the warning centers or special seawall from reinforced concrete in Taro. This and many other essays are available at studycorgi.com.